Guys and gals, I'm not sure if you can see this, but it's really coming down out there. I want to see if I can zoom in. Oh, the reception is terrible. It's simply pouring. Let's see, I'll turn this off so you can hear it at least. Over there is Dollar General. And that yellow thing over there is the Dollar General sign, but it's just pouring down and there's continual lightning. Oh, there's that wind again. Yep. Not a pretty... Well, lightning can be pretty, I guess, but this is a lot of rain we're getting, a lot of wind. I don't know what to do about this glare. Oh well. Just another storm. Thanks for watching, guys.